So hello everyone. Today I have Dr. Mahima with me. She secured All India rank 1347 and she secured 622 marks out of 800 marks in NEET PG 2021. So welcome Dr. Mahima. First of all, I would like to congratulate you. How are you feeling? What
Thank
was
you,
your first
sir.
reaction?
First reaction was obviously of shock, but then it all settled in. Our NB gave us a lot of time to process the marks and then the rank. So it
Then
was
the
good.
rank. So that was bit exhausting. They gave marks and you were like not in a position to expect how did you know how did you perform and what happened. So what was you so you were a pre-foundation student?
Yes, sir. I joined DAMS in 2016, which is my second year of college.
All right. So in your pre-foundation course, so did the thing joining early it help you? Do you feel we should join early or late during internship?
So I think in a way it did because if no matter how hard you try, you can not attend all subjects in all 3 years. So here and there, if I missed a subject or two, I had a set of notes already. Or if I go in with a already made note, there's always things to update and add. So in a way, it was very helpful. It was
So according to you,
exhausting.
we should, according to you, early start is always better. Is that?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. See, early start always gives you a chance to make your own notes.
Yes.
Three
Uh,
chances each.
yes. Dr. Mahima, some students they feel these notes are, some students they feel if we join the foundation, then these notes are 3 to 4 years old notes, right? They feel like these notes are 3 to 4 year old notes. So what is your take on that? Do you really feel these notes are now old, 3 to 4 years old now?
So I studied a lot of subjects, like at least 5 subjects from my notes from 2017. And there were only like, even in 100% set of notes, max to max 20-30% had changed. And mostly they were like little updates you could add. So
Yes.
see, the concept will remain the same. Your whole notes cannot change at all, ever.
Yes, very
So it won't make a huge difference.
true. So according to you, we should start early, we should make our notes, and we don't feel like these notes are 3 to 4 year olds. If any change in notes, you may update or you may add or you may enrich your notes, right? Is that true, Dr.
Yes,
Mahima? All right.
yes, sir.
So, how was your experience with DAMS? So, you were a second year student when you came and joined DAMS, and you were there with us around for 4 years, and you have seen all the offline and online era. So, what was your experience with DAMS?
So if you ask me, I am a totally offline era student. I do not have the capacity and the willpower to sit in front of a screen and attend 12-hour classes. It's just not possible. It's so tiring. You lose concentration. 110% you'll lose your concentration midway at least thrice, 4 times throughout the day. So offline era is the best. And class to class experience is obviously very different than screen to class experience.
Yes. So, according to you, face-to-face classes they are better rather than watching continuously on a screen. During
Yes, sir.
that screen kind of thing, you tend to distract many times, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right. So how did you plan your revisions, Dr. Mahima?
So, sir, I started studying around April of 2020, which is after my final year. I started from zero. I had only read medicine, surgery, the four pillars of final year: medicine, surgery, obs-gynae, and pediatrics. Just read the notes once, to give me a push for the university exams. So I started from like zero only. So I planned it everyone goes off track, no matter how spacious
It's
the
true.
timetable is.
Very true.
So when I started, I planned first 3 months for like base reading, but it took longer. It took four months approximately. So after 4 months, I started the cycle of revision for like 90 days, and I reduced it by 15 days in every cycle. So and the exam got postponed twice, January, then April, then September. So everything went off track for a while. But eventually you get back, no matter how long it takes, you have to finish the cycle before you start a fresh one.
Right. So according to you, multiple revisions is also the key to success. You have revised it multiple times. Your handmade, your handy notes, they were easy to revise multiple times.
Yes, so very handy.
So, Dr. Mahima, how were you regular for your GTs and other tests? Were you regular?
Yes, I have the one thing I have done throughout is I have never missed a live GT.
Like,
So I think that is most important. I gave my first GT in my second month of preparation when I had read only three subjects.
very good.
So even if it's live for 5 days and you have a time crunch and everything, giving it live means you're holding yourself accountable for a time period. So it's very important to give a GT when it is live.
Yeah. So
So
what I could if I would like to summarize all of the key to your success is start early, make your own notes, do multiple revisions, and be timely with your duties. Is that true?
yes, so GTs are the most important. I mean, you don't need to stress on rank and marks so much, but you have to see that the graph is constantly going up. And if it comes down, you have to rectify your mistake, do a recheck, stop, take a breather, and then start again.
So, Dr. Mahima, this was really a tough time. Pandemic was there. Many people were losing their jobs. So much negativity was around us. So, how did you manage that? Staying up mentally strong, how do you, the one thing is clear, if in this tough time you did so well, one thing is sure, you were mentally strong, what I could make. So how were you mentally strong?
So I live with my family, so there's always family support.
No doubt, family is
That
always
is
our
the
biggest.
most important thing. And you can always talk to a friend or something. And one thing I honestly did was whenever I felt like so much is happening around, it gets overwhelming. So you don't feel like studying, you feel like अरे ये तो क्या क्या चल रहा है, ऐसे कैसे में पढ़ाई होगा. So just stop, and I said to myself, see, you've been attending classes for 4 years. Do you want to attend classes for one more year and do the same thing over again?
Very true, very
That's
true,
what I said to myself.
very
That is the one thing that kept me going for 9 months, and then again another set of 9 months this year.
very yes. So Dr. Adilya, I'm really happy for you and I really want to congratulate you once again. This score is really very good and you did a really good.
Thank you.
Dr. Mahima, at the end, would you like to give a message to your juniors, those who are preparing? Would you like to give a message to them? What message would you like to give?
So if I were to summarize my preparation in a few, I can't say one line, but in a few lines, it would be, if possible, if you have time, make your own notes and make them as interesting as you can. One thing I didn't do is I did not leave space for adding new stuff to my notes. So always when you write, try to leave space liberally so that you can, how they talk about updates and changing in notes, you can add it there. You don't need to go somewhere else. And most importantly, give GTs regularly.
All right.
So what I did was so go.
Please, please.
So what I did was I made a checklist for all the domains I needed to cover throughout the day. Like this is towards the last few months of preparation, not when you start. So there's a lot of things you need to cover. You need to see graphs, you need to see slides, you need to see a few of PSM numericals. So there is a category called as, all the Ratovai things, which they ask. So you have to make a domain so that you don't miss out on anything. So at the end of the day, I would go back to my checklist and see if I covered notes, if I unbookmarked the bookmarked questions, if I reviewed the GTs. So that way I did not leave out on anything towards.
So thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Doctor. It was nice talking to you. Thank you so much. I hope students will, your juniors, they will follow your steps and they will also secure a good rank like you. Thank you so much for your time.